guys, it's me again, Elizabeth, and welcome to my channel. So to this video guys, since na healthy benefits ang aking other vlog, so today is I'm working here in gym, but it's not only about for exercise, it's also about food and healthy foods. So today I sell already also I sell also barbecue and chicken barbecue, and today I will marinate I will preparing the sauce for marination. So this is yogurt. This is fresh yogurt, and then I put already chili powder, and I will put soy sauce, and then I will mix all. So I put now so today I put already a chili yogurt and chili, and then I put a little cinnamon. So this one, so it's up to you if what this one but this one is depende po sa inyo kung lang maglalagay kayo, kasi ang smell po kasi nito is same like a coffee. So since na Arabic sila dito, so they will like something taste like this. So I will put cinnamon. So cinnamon, and then I will put cinnamon, and then this one fresh satar. So I will put again fresh satar. So it depends the meat that you will put. So I will put soy sauce, and then I will put balsamic vinegar. I will put balsamic. So I will put more because I have more also chicken, and then I will put lemon. So this one is Yamama lemon juice. This one is more on this one Lebanese product, also here in Arabic country, so they like too much more ingredients. So I will put lemon, before adding my chicken. So I will mix well. This yogurt is good also for what is one marination, and for other recipe. So we mix some more, and then after that we put black and pepper. So we will put pepper. We will put black pepper. Okay, and then we put again oregano. So this one, basil, oregano, garlic, sea salt. We will put again. We put again. Sometimes more customer here in gym ay nag-order sila, but mostly the food that I will prepare for them is more unhealthy, because they are the other customer, they want to gain weight, and the other is they need to lose weight. So I have more food that suitable for them. So for gaining weight, I have I gave smoothies for them that's more on calories and other ingredient that good for the health. And I have also for increasing hemoglobin, and it's known beetroot. So I have a lot of smoothies that I prepared for customer, and then sandwiches. So yeah, I talk too much na. So after this one, after you mix well this sauce, you need to put the chicken. Okay, mix well, and then after mixing this sauce, so you need to put the chicken. So this one cubes, already cubes, so I need to put chicken and put it in the fridge for the whole night, overnight. Okay, so for tomorrow only I will prepare in a steak, and then so I need to put like this. Same when you prepare for kebab, you need to mix well with yogurt. Yogurt is the healthy also, and you have more what is that? Vitamins, because yogurt is fresh milk. I have a lot of chicken now, so very hard to mix again. So this one, so you need to mix well, and then put cover, and then put in fridge for the whole night. And then tomorrow I will ready for the grill. So maybe tomorrow I di ko na siya mapipicturan para maano ko siya, kasi I'm too much busy in Sunday. So I have a lot of work preparing healthy food, and then sorry guys and then this one, I preparing healthy foods. I assist also for customer, so all around. My God, this is the life of OFW, guys. So you need to work hard so that they will trust you. They will trust you here. You know, for working here in gym is not easy, but you need to more patient. If you love your work, you do everything. If you do not love your work, you feel lazy. That's why. So guys, here it's not only for what is one? Assist for customers. You need to do everything, to do paperwork, to what is one? Entertain the customer. This one for teach them what they want to do, what they are doing, what they want time for appointment. So they have a lot, so I can do that one here because I like my work, and then you need to more patient. So guys, it's already done, and for tomorrow I will leave it here for 5 minutes, and then I will cover, and then I will put in fridge. So see you guys tomorrow. I will put in a stick for tomorrow, same like this, and then ready to eat. And if customer willing to buy, so I give them. So with together with all sandwiches. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. So, we will see the test for tomorrow. Okay? So, thank you so much guys, and huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko guys, at hit ang notification pero below para updated po kayo sa mga upcoming video ko. And I have a lot of video for healthy foods and smoothies that I make for customer, because for customer satisfaction also, like that it's not only for exercising, so I need to serve also for healthy foods for them. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you again. God bless po. Thank you, bye. So guys, I cover already, and then I will put in breads. So for tomorrow is ready to serve. So I will put in breads first guys. So this one I will put in breads. So guys, I want to show you what this one. So I will put first down, so that for tomorrow ready to serve. Okay. And then this is the finished product of my barbecue. This is so much delicious and nutritious also. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching.